Hey, I'm Alex Walker.
I'm Alicia Armstrong.
I'm Graham Elder.
I'm Sarah Ayan Kim.
I'm Adriana Lozeman.
This video is going to be talking about the power of context. So what is context? Context is the idea that people make their decisions based on their environment around them. We're going to be fixating more specifically on anchoring, which is the idea that people will fixate on a specific price and then judge all other prices relative to that one. So our research question is anchoring real, or is it simply just the impression that you're getting a good deal?
Our hypothesis was that both would have an impact on consumer preferences, but that anchoring would have a bigger impact relative to the presence of a good deal.
Okay, we chose to do a survey because we did not have the money or the products to attempt it in a real-life scenario. We also chose a survey because it gave us access to a larger population for sampling. Our control groups were the same over all examples. We had one option at a certain price, and we had another option with two goods at a certain price. Each of the options stayed constant over all examples.
We then tested two other groups, each with three options. In the deal group, the combined price of both individual options was greater than the price of both together.
In the anchoring group, the price of the combo option was equal to the price of one of the goods in the specific question.
The variations of each question were separated into 3 different surveys so that participants weren't influenced by their previous answers. Each survey then also had control, anchoring, and deal type questions, so we had a subject base that was as large as possible.
So we distributed the survey online via the UVic social group. And so because of this, the items that we chose for each question were based around what we thought UVic students would purchase together. And in our surveys, we had 80 people for the first one, 80 for the second one, and then 66 for the third.
So as a result of implementing the deal options, the combo option invariably dropped across all options as participants decided to choose the alternative options as per their individual preferences.
As you can see, in most of our results, the amount of people who pick the combo option in the anchoring questions is much higher than those who pick the combo option in the deal questions.
We found that some people still pick the dummy option, but we're assuming, such as in the motorcycle and car, that it's due to extreme preferences, aka they hate motorcycles.
The one exception to these results are beer and wings, where the percent who picked the alternative option increased from 15 to 22% with the price increase, and the percent who picked the combo option decreased from 70 to 61%.
These results are relatively similar to what we expected. However, we failed to take into account about participant preferences. The most interesting thing about these results is how significant an effect of anchoring had on customer decision making.
Our limitations included the fact that the deals were not legitimate options, so participants are less concerned with whether they are getting a deal or not. Additionally, the results were not a representation of the whole population.
So our results determined that anchoring really does work, but what does this mean? Why do we care about this as both customers and business people?
So as customers, we should be aware of the implications of anchoring, and we must be aware of its effects so that we don't fixate on the wrong things.
So on the business side, companies should be aware that anchoring is a very real phenomenon and that they should consider it when determining their prices.
Thank you for watching.
Taking care of business.